What up? Stone here. Go ahead and break down my Go-Ped Sport. First off, we'll talk about the obvious. Why I have single rim. It is an ADA solid billet aluminum bead lock. Waiting on the front one. And as well as a real vented billet gas cap, not this attempt at one. Go ahead and break down the engine first. Originally it was a CYR230. As of now, it is a DDM 34mm 29cc 38mm skirt, big bore up kit. Of course, we got no pull start. That's kind of for lames. Break down the carb filter and V-stack. It's a K&N high flow filter with a DDM wide mouth V-stack with a weird wonky WT929. Originally it was an RC boat carburetor from an RCMK water cooled engine. It only has gas in, no return line out. Crazy recovery on the throttle, as well as low end torque. Eventually going to get that Bartolone, I think it is, clamped to lock these low and high needles into place. Got a DDM Dominator tuned race pipe. The reason I went with this and not some big fat donkey dick jet pro is because I live in the borderline retirement old persnickety community. So I kind of got suckered into this tube into the frame. Don't know if I'm going to keep that. Let's see what else. We also got that high performance, I don't know how you say it, spark plug. It's the CR8, not the CR7. I know one's a little hotter. I think the CR7 burns hotter, or the temp rating's hotter. Yeah, that's about it. This is just showing you a video of it. I'll have some more of me starting it in a sound check. All right.